Go ahead.
How do I open it? Oh. How do I? Oh, so far. Oh. Thank you.
Pull that up. Pull this up.
It's up.
There you go.
There's one, now we have to get that on.
No, you don't have to.
There's only one. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I always wanted one. There's one more. Whoa. These are book 2. These I could read once I finish book 1. Feel that, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have the doggy one, Mommy. Look, it's the doggy.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, you're a factory doggy.
That's pretty cool.
And
Hey.
that's it.
What do you have to say?
Thank you. No wonder they sound like that. The noise. No wonder. Now this is going to be hard. But I might be able to do it. This is the 3rd one. This is episode 3.